I bought Bajaj Finance in 2011. Now, what is the logic for the company management in 2011 to even dream that that company can be so successful? There was nothing in their background to say it will become a $50 billion company. The difference between me and the bullshitters कि मैं मिला CEO को, उसकी आंखों में ना इतनी aggression थी that I felt it in my bones.
You have a very interesting investment mantra, like read everything, question everything.
Correct.
Right. And like, can you walk me through that? Like, how do you filter the noise? Like when you read a lot, like you have all these ideas in your head, like it gets conflicting sometimes. So how do you filter through that noise, understand that this kind of thesis applies in this particular instance?
You should not be enamored by anything or anybody. I bought Bajaj Finance in 2011. Now, what is the logic for the company management in 2011 to even dream that that company can be so successful? There was nothing in their background to say it will become a $50 billion company. So if they could not dream, broadly, how could I dream?
Yeah.
So the only way we are buying is कि we are buying a 2% stake कि आप ना next 3-4 साल के लिए ठीक लगते हो to give us 20% type return. It was 6 PE. Okay.
Bajaj Finance.
हाँ, in 2011. तो हमने कहा यार ये ठीक है, थोड़े पढ़े लिखे बंदे हैं, वो सिटी बैंक से आया राजीव जैन और संजीव बजाज इज गुड, 2% ले लेते हैं, नेक्स्ट 2-3 साल ही कैन गिव अस 15-20% रिटर्न बिकॉज वो ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने ये कर लिया. दे हैड दिस गाय फ्रॉम सिटी बैंक who recently died, I think a year ago, Nannu Pamnani, who said he was the head of retail in India, City in India. So after City, I think either retiring or pre-retiring, he joined and became their advisor on retail growth. So उन्होंने कहा जी हमारा experience है, plus हमने ये great advisor भी लिया है, and of course Bajaj family is well respected. तो हमने कहा ठीक है, सब कुछ सस्ता सा भी है, 2% ले लेते हैं, देखें क्या होता है. So that is what I mean. What I'm saying is that day I understood. So what will happen is the difference between me and the bullshitters is that suppose somebody bought 10 stocks. I didn't buy 10. I buy 40, right? 35, 40. Somebody bought 10 in which there was Bajaj Finance. Then somebody else bought 10 in which there was Yes Bank. And then somebody else bought 10 in which there were 3 bad ones. So bad ones तो खत्म हो गए, वो तो out हो गए, you will not call them.
Yeah.
A good wala milega, he will genuinely believe. It's not that he's fooling you. He will genuinely believe कि मैं मिला CEO को, उसकी आंखों में ना इतनी aggression थी that I felt it in my bones. So I quickly made it 8%. But the point is, the guy who saw Yes Bank may have felt the same aggression, but उसने उस पे ले लिया, लेकिन वो चला नहीं तो आपने उसे पूछा नहीं. Otherwise, जो भी फैक्टर आपने इस बंदे में देखा. So for example, you'll say ये ना सिटी बैंक में काम करता था. In between, this is I'm talking about Rajiv Jain of Bajaj. वो सिटी बैंक में काम करता था. He was, say, I don't know what age he was at that time, maybe 35 or something. So he was 35 in between leaving a multinational bank. उस वक्त तो एक बड़ी foreign job गिनी जाती थी. उसने वो छोड़ के एक smaller company जहाँ पे ethics of the Bajaj family, the training of सिटी बैंक. तो मैंने ये देखा, पैशन देखा, क्योंकि 2 बजे जब मैंने बोला कि लंच खाने चलते हैं, उसने कहा मैं लंच नहीं खाता, मैं तो काम करता हूँ. So I'm just making it up. No, the thing is, there'll be 100 other guys who would have felt some other form of passion in the management. उनका चला नहीं, तो वो तो गायब हो गए, आपने उनकी इंटरव्यू भी नहीं ली. So this guy starts believing, the fund manager, कि ये है मॉडल. I must call them at lunchtime, and if they agree to my lunch, I will not buy the stock. देखे नहीं तुमने, रोज ऐसे होते हैं कि I will call them at lunchtime.
Right.
And if he comes out, that means he wants to have a lot. And I will deliberately offer him wine. And if he has the wine, that means he is kuch bhi khani. You can make a story not to fool the other fellow, but to fool yourself as if there is this formula. So there is, the formula is only कि आपने सब screen out कर दिया गंदा कि management खराब नहीं है, history खराब नहीं है, valuation is not bad. The growth rate doesn't look below 5%, 8%, that the industry is not bad, it doesn't have so much government policy driven influences, there's that, that the sector is not getting disrupted. Ye pehle you remove. Then from the balance you buy slightly more than the number of things that you think can work. And then you pray that those guys do a better job than they also thought. and you also thought, but you have made sure that they won't be disasters in any way. That is the
Yeah.
only way. Otherwise, you don't know. How will you know? Oh, I saw the passion. I saw the work floor where I went, and some worker was very excited. And when I went at 6 o'clock, no, none of them had left the office. There will be thousands of examples for everything.
If you like such interesting clips from my podcast, please do me a small favor. Hit that subscribe button, like the videos, share them with your friends and family, ring the bell icon, you know the drill. And I hope I can bring more value to you.